Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I've got something you might want to stock your pantry with here. This is the Progresso creamy tomato with penne soup. This is a really nice traditional tomato soup, but it has the addition of the penne pasta, which makes it feel a lot heartier and more filling. And it is a really nice little meal when you are short on time. So it's super convenient. All you need to do is heat this up either on the stovetop or in the microwave, and that is it. So it's a nice way to have a really quick meal, like a quick lunch or something when you are really short on time, and it tastes really good. So this is something that I would definitely recommend to anybody, especially if you are a fan of tomato soup. You're really gonna love this one. So I really love the creamy texture. I love that you can see all the herbs in there and really taste them. So it's a really nice, flavorful, and well-balanced soup. So definitely give this one a try. That's my point of view.